Hey my tinies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and I go by Makeup by Tiny T because I am so tiny. I am literally 4'10" and on a good day I am 4'11". With that being said, my tinies, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I'm very sorry. I am gonna try and be posting a little bit more just here and there, not really have a fixed schedule just because I have a newborn baby. Yay, he's finally here. He's a little boy, of course. But anyways, today's video is actually going to be a collab with a Glamnetic. I am super excited to try this product out. They are magnetic lashes. I have never tried magnetic lashes. Also sell press-on nails, which is really amazing. I am a nail tech, as you guys know, and as a mom of 3 now, it is a little bit harder to do my own nails, so press-ons are life right now. So a little bit about the company. The CEO, her name is actually Anne. She started this brand about 2 years ago, which is really amazing. She actually grew up in Thailand, school there. She did not have any like creative outlet. Schools in Thailand, according from what she said, are really strict. They don't let you wear long nails, makeup, or lashes, which is crazy because, you know, I feel like that is kind of what we as women would want to do, you know. At the age of 7, she actually migrated to California from Thailand. Went to school in Cali, and unfortunately, she was bullied throughout her time in school, which is really sad because a lot of students with different race are bullied. Eventually discovered that she was in love with makeup and art and everything, and I guess eventually she just started wearing lashes, and that's where that's where it all started, where she just started to wear lashes. Was struggling with putting on lashes, and I guess that's where she came up with this idea, oh, like, let's try magnetic lashes, which is pretty cool. Like, I would have never thought about that, but these are the ones that I have on, and I also got another one. These are super cute. They're super soft and pink. You know, I am in love with almond. As a mom, almond is my go-to. Next thing that I got was the Glamnetic lash grabber, which I really love the packaging of it. It's really amazing. And here is the little grabber. It's super amazing, guys. Like, look at it. It's holographic. It's got a little like brush so you can brush the brows and stuff, and so you can grab them. And then we got the Glamnetic liner. It's in Black Magic. That's what it's called, guys. Can you see? So we got this one, which is VIP, or sorry, let's do this way, VIP. And then Bella, which is a super cute name. And Vacay. So we're gonna take the, so they also have a pencil liner. I actually grabbed the liquid liner, which I don't know why I did that, but I don't know, we'll just give it a shot. So I'm really sorry if you guys can't see. Oh my gosh, that was so easy, guys. You guys can kind of see it. Do you see that? So there you go, guys. This is Belle or Vacay. Next, we're gonna try VIP. Sorry. This is VIP. Super pretty. Then this box, guys, I am in love with this box. It's super, super adorable, super cute. It's got the little glittery pullout. So we're gonna try this one now. I must say, I am in love with this. And this is Bella. Very, very pretty.